What's up guys, how's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are looking at a tablet. It's not too often we review tablets, and this one has a special trick. It's not just a tablet, it is a complete dock with a speaker, ambient lights, and a ton of really cool stuff. So yeah, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So, what is this? This is the Jeazans A10 Pro. So what this basically is an extremely affordable but capable tablet slash dock. It's not probably meant to be your main tablet. It's actually optimized to be kind of like a family tablet. Like, it kind of sits in a dock and connect as a picture frame, connect as an AI calendar, can do all this really cool stuff, and then people can pick it up off the dock, use it to play games, watch movies, do whatever you want to do, and then you put it back on the dock and it continues its service as a speaker and a calendar and a photo frame. So it's kind of a multi-purpose device as opposed to a tablet that's just supposed to be, here's your tablet. And here that is. So this is the AI dock mode function, and what this basically does is it allows you to have an AI calendar or a photo frame. And the cool part about it is it can not only have your photos, but your friends and family that you invite can actually send photos as well, and they'll go into the queue and you'll see them on the frame as well. So I thought that was pretty neat. So unboxing this, we have the tablet up top, but I'm going to go ahead and set that aside because we've all seen what a tablet looks like. I want to show you what else this comes with because it's kind of different. We have our user guide here. I'll set that aside. We have a power adapter, which is a USB-C power adapter, so none of that funny business with ports. This is just going to be a standard 4 amp 5 volt USB-C adapter. We have a key for the micro SD card slot. And then we have the dock itself. So this is what I was talking about. So this here is a charging dock for the device. You can see it holds the tablet as well as charges it there. But it's also a speaker. As you can see the grill here, you can see the charging port, so you can have it as a dock and charge the device without having to actually plug it in. And you can't really see it right now, but you will soon. It actually has a light along the entire bottom that can act as an ambient light. So I'm going to set this aside, and then we're actually going to unbox or open up the tablet and see what it looks like. So let's pull this out. Pretty small form factor. This is a 10.1 inch tablet. Let's go ahead and peel the back off here. It does have cameras in the back as well. That's nice to see. So we have speakers on the bottom as well as here. We have a front camera. We have 2 rear cameras, or no, 1 rear camera and a flash. So it does have a built-in flash on the rear. It has a Type-C connector, an SD card slot or a micro SD card slot, volume on the top, power on the left, reset button, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and pull this off here. And again, this is a fairly lightweight compared to like iPads and things like that are made of aluminum and kind of heavy. This does have some heft to it, and it feels sturdy, but it doesn't feel too crazy. I could see myself using this. So came with battery, that's nice, and we're in. This does come with Android 14 as well as 64 gigs of built-in memory, expandable by 1 terabyte basically with that micro SD card slot, an Octa-core processor, an IPS touchscreen, and supposedly 14 gigs of memory, which I believe is 3 gigabytes of RAM, and then the rest is on the drive itself, which is fine. So let's go ahead and get this set up and see what it looks like on the dock. Ooh, alright, so just plugging it in, we already have lights and audio before it even connects to the tablet. So that shows it's got some level of technology already built into it. I'm currently powering it off of a power bank, so it doesn't have to actually be powered by the wall adapter. You can actually take it out if you want to. Alright, and there it is, a fresh install. Whoa! So that magnet is strong. It makes sure that it's not going anywhere. It grabs on to that tablet. So immediately when I connected it, it went into AI dock mode. The colors are changing here, and we can choose what we want to do, whether we want to choose the AI cloud frame, if we want white noise. It actually supports white noise to help you fall asleep, and it even has videos while it's playing the white noise. which is pretty interesting as well, right? And you can see the lighting is affected by the audio as well, so it kind of brightens and such when the audio gets louder. So yeah, super solid tablet. I think the direction they're going with it is really cool, to have it kind of like an actual installation in your house that you can pick up and move around and use when you need to, but place it back and use it kind of like a picture frame, white noise machine, even Bluetooth speaker, whatever you want to use this for. It's kind of like a all-around device. And then for your intensive apps and games and things like that, you can use your personal device. So yeah, I think this is really cool. Super strong speaker. It's kind of hard to hear in the video, but that was very loud. And a nice feature set. I think this is $100 on Amazon, and there was a $20 coupon last I checked, so it was like $80. I can't say how much it's going to be when you watch this video, but I'll put a link to them in the description below so you can check it out. I think it's a pretty solid deal. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Peace.
Conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah.